What is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kurt Buchanan, and in this video I'm actually going to be sharing something really awesome with you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to set up comments and messenger Facebook bot for your Facebook page or for a client's Facebook page. But before I actually get started, I do want to take some time, of course, just to say thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're a part of my 2000 subscriber club, I want to thank you so very much. I really do appreciate you guys taking me over 2000 subscribers on YouTube. Alright, so let's get started with tonight's video. Basically, what I'll be sharing with you guys in this video is how to set up a Facebook comment to messenger bot. Alright, so what this is basically taking persons who leave comments on a specific post on your Facebook page, one that you've set up a comment, a Facebook chat bot for, and taking them into a messenger chat and giving them a lead magnet and subscribing them to a list. So this is very powerful. So whether you're in affiliate marketing, if you're doing Shopify, whatever you're doing, this can make you so much money. And this is basically an underutilized marketing technique for 2018. And if you get on board now and start using it, you can make a lot of money. You can skyrocket your business in a short space of time. All right, so basically, let me walk you through this post. So basically, this person is giving away an ebook right here, and he's saying that if you want this free ebook, just leave a comment that says send me the ebook and I will send it to you. And as you can see, 1539 persons have left comments, and what will happen is that this same page will respond to each of those persons individually to say, hey, if you really want this ebook, just comment 5,000 below and I will send you the link. And that is exactly what happens here. All right, so let me show you how to set this up. First thing you actually need to do is to have a Facebook fan page, of course, a business page, whatever you want to call it. You need to have a ManyChat account as well. Alright, so for ManyChat, you just go to ManyChat.com. It will ask you to sign up with Facebook. You just click on your Facebook account, sign up with Facebook, and link your Facebook page. You can link as many Facebook pages as you want. As you can see, I currently have 2 Facebook pages linked. This is the one that I'll be using for this tutorial. On your Facebook page, you do need to set up your page to receive messages. So you want to click on settings, you want to go to where it says messages, you want to click on that, and you want to ensure that this button that says allow people to contact my page is checked. Once that is done, you want to click on save changes, and you're all set as it relates to your Facebook page. The next thing you actually need to do is to make your post. So as you can see in this example, this is a post with an image of the free lead magnet that is given away. So you want to create your post on your Facebook page. So I'm going to create a test post here just to say, let's say, this is my test lead magnet. Leave a comment below to get a copy. Alright, so that is that, and I'm actually going to add an image just to make it look a little bit better. Let's use this image. Alright, so as you can see here, that's a post, and I'm going to publish this post to my Facebook fan page. Alright, so that's the first thing you actually need to do, and I'm going to check just to ensure that this post is actually made on my page. I'm not sure why my internet is moving so slow tonight. Alright, as this page loads, let me see what's happening here. I just want to confirm that this post is there and it's ready to be used. Alright, so this is the test post. So the next thing that I actually need to do now is to actually go to my ManyChat account. Go to your ManyChat account, and guys, I'm not going to go through every single feature of ManyChat in this tutorial. I will link a video in the description that you can watch that will explain ManyChat to you in detail. Alright, but in this tutorial, I'm actually just going to be focusing on growth tools. So as you can see, I have 3 growth tools here. If you have 0, all you need to do is to click on this button that says growth tool, and you want to select the one that says Facebook comments. Alright, so that's the one that we're going to be using, and I'm going to give this one a name. So you can double click on it right here where it says growth tool 14 and give it a name. So just call this test tool. I'm calling mine test tool, and then the next thing it's asking me to do is to select a post. So that's the reason why you need to make the post on your Facebook page. So what it does, it gives me a list of all the posts on my Facebook page, and I just need to select the one that I actually want to set up my chatbot for. So which in my case is the first one. So I'm just going to select that. Then it's going to say, ask me to confirm that the selected post is explicit, that this page is going to contact users who comment, and you want to check that box. And you can either choose to track first level comments only, or you can leave that off. I always turn it on because I just want to track first level comments. You can choose when you want a message to go out. If you want to go out immediately, seconds later or minutes later, it's instant messaging, so I usually leave it on immediately. I can choose if I want users to type a specific keyword, but since I didn't make mention of that in my post, I'm just going to leave it blank. So whatever the comment is, I want this to be triggered. So then I'm going to move to the next step. In the next step, where it says message to commenters. So basically, Facebook wants you to use like a double opt-in system. So they want the user to respond to you before you can actually subscribe them to a list. But since I want every user to be subscribed to a list, I'm just going to say, hey, if you really want this ebook, just type yes below. All right. So similar to what you saw in the example, which I'm going to show you in a second, similar to what you saw in this example where he's saying that, hey Dimitri, so you want my ebook, how to get 5,000 subscribers, just reply with 5,000, I'll send you the PDF download link. So that's basically exactly what I'm doing here, which is a requirement. Alright, so once that is done, that's the keyword that I want persons to type in for them to get the ebook. On this page, it is asking me about opt-in options. All right, so the sending options, you can choose not to send the opt-in message, which I don't recommend. You can choose to send to everyone who replies, which I don't recommend either, because you want them to respond with the keyword that you have set up. So basically, this is the one that you want to choose, which says send only to users who reply with that specific keyword. So since the keyword is yes, you want to type yes here, and I'm going to type yes with different variations because everyone will type it differently. All right, so once that person types yes, then let me just click save here. You want to click save at this point. Then at this point, I'm going to edit the opt-in message, because once a person types yes, then I want my bot to respond to that person, providing them with the link to download the file, as you can see here. So once the person responds, I want to send them this file automatically. So at this point, I'm going to edit this message as well to say, welcome, here's the ebook I promised, enjoy. And guys, you can type whatever you want, make it as nice as you want, but you do want to ensure that you give them the option to unsubscribe from your list as well. So you want to leave this part that says, if you ever want to unsubscribe, just type stop. At this point, you can choose to upload your file. In my case, I'm giving away an ebook. You could choose to give away some podcasts via audio. You could give away some text. You could give away an image, cards, video. As you can see, many different options of products or items that you can actually give away. So I'm just going to select my file that I actually want to send out for them to be able to download. And this is it right here, my test document. Once that is done, basically all I need to do here is to basically click on publish. And that's done. My content is published. So what I need to do now is to go back to my test tool, right? And you want to ensure that it's no longer in the draft mode. You want to click it on so it's activated. So now that everything is activated, you want to click on, you're basically all set. You're basically all set. So let me just run through this once again to ensure everything is set up correctly. Yeah, and that's it, and you're all set. So now whenever someone goes to that post on Facebook and leaves a comment, what will happen is that your page, your Facebook Messenger bot, will respond to them with the exact sequence that we just set up. So let me see if I can show you guys a real life test here. So I'm going to respond as myself. So I'm just going to say, yeah, I want. I could leave whatever the comment is based on what we just set up. So once I leave this comment, what should happen is that this Facebook page should send me a message. As you can see here, it pops up. It says, hey Kurt Buchanan, hey, if you really want this ebook, just type yes below. So I'm just going to type yes below. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this in messenger.com just so you guys can see it better. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type yes and see what happens. So the user will type yes if they want the ebook, and as you can see, the next message, the second message comes in that says, hey, welcome Kirk, here's the ebook I promised, enjoy. And right here I can just go ahead and click on the file and download that file that was promised to me. Alright, so guys, that's the quick tutorial on how to convert messenger comments into Facebook comments into messenger subscribers. What will happen as well is that person becomes a subscriber in your list as long as they go through the sequence of messages, which is really great. So from this list you can send them broadcast messages, automation, just as you would with email marketing, and that is why this is so powerful, guys. Alright, so in another tutorial I may cover broadcast messages for you as well to your subscribers to show you how that is done. So that's it for this video. As you can see, it worked like a charm. It's really good for your marketing for 2018, and I do hope that you take this message and implement it in your business. All right, so thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.